ka, kung ano-ano na nangyayari sa inyo, nagkakaroon na kayo ng ano bang tawag doon, ulcer, kasi hindi kayo kumakain, di ba? For some of you, you have to go to the doctor, no, within this week, no, kasi ito, for this week yan eh. Self-care advice yan, no, you have to, di ba, magpa-check up na daw kayo, no, for some of you, cancer. I know meron kayong mga nararamdaman sa sarili nyo, no, maybe, yeah, kailangan nyo na magpa-check up, no, this week, no, this coming week, no, mga cancer. Magpa-schedule na kayo or talagang magkaroon kayo ng time this week, no. Ito na yun, no, kumbaga talagang may warning na dito. You have to check, go to the doctor. Kung ano man tong nararamdaman nyo, wag nyo na tong binabaliwala, no, mga cancer, no. So, yeah, that's it, no. So, this is an advice, no, self-care advice, di ba, sa iyong sarili. Have a check-up, right? And then, let's see, what's your inner goddess, no, na i-reveal sa'yo ni universe, right? Mga cancer natin. Inner goddess, no, yeah, goddess, kung ano yung parang strength, no, di ba? What's the strength, no? Your inner goddess. So, let's see. Kuha tayo ng one card for you, Cancer. So, you have this Gaia, no? So, this one si Gaia kasi ano to eh, siya yung goddess of earth eh, no? Si Mother Gaia to eh, no? So, you are this, no? With this, mga shine on, no? With this butterfly. So, you are, for some of you, no, Cancer, you are this, no? Very beautiful, like a butterfly. Full transition ka na, no? Nag-evolve ka na, no? Something like that, no? So, you are this Mother Gaia. You are very nurturing, no? For some of you, Cancer, or yeah, all of you, Cancer, right? No, so you are this very nurturing person, right? No, so loving sa Mother Earth, di ba, right? Na sa ating nature, no? You are this, no? So you are so much, you are very grounded sa nature natin, no, mga Earths, Cancer, right? No, so kumbaga na-acknowledge ni universe yung iyong pagmamahal sa nature, no, Cancer, no, for some of you talagang and maybe then sa mga hayop, no, mapagmahal kayo, no, and of course kung makikita mo, you are this glowing up, no, you are this goddess of earth, no, so continue nyo lang yan kasi mas nag-glow up kayo kapag sinishare nyo yung pagmamahal nyo sa nature, no? Super grounded, no? Right? No? So, kumaga ay natutuwa si universe sa inyo, si God, no? Sa mga